Hi, I am Devendra Huda representing VA Pharma. We are globally representing various segments in case of poultry feed supplement as well as animal feed supplement. Along with this, we got a pharmaceutical API range of products. Our key strength is mycoplasma management as well as the gut health management. We operate across the globe in more than 70 countries. In India, we are key leaders in case of tylosin segments, tiamulin segments and tilmyco segments. Other than that, we have the widest range of anticoccidial for the gut health management. And few of the leading brands like Flavomycin and Sacox are represented by our company. I am very proud to say that we share technical know-how as well as technical support to all our key customers across India as well as in Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and Nepal. Most of our R&D works is happening in Europe. All our products are originating from Europe as well as registered in Europe. We do not market any product which is not as per of European standards. We have 4 production facilities in Europe and Bulgaria and 1 production facilities in US St. Louis. One of the key things about our product is we go for the quality which is approved in US as well as in Europe. We don't have any product which doesn't have as per of European GMP and US GMP certifications. In India, most of the products which are available got brand specific approvals in European Union, and which is quite difficult and tough as compared to any one of the competitors which are selling generic Chinese products and they're keeping and doing the branding out of it. But as compared to them, we are the people who never ever market a product if we are not able to produce that molecule ourselves. We are in India for last 2 years only, but in the last 2 years in major segments what we are representing, we are taking a quite faster growth, and slowly segment by segment our market share is growing. We want to be leader in case of mycoplasma management sector in next 3 years, and we hope by 2015 we will have more than 50% market share in our key operating areas. This is our 3rd year participating in this exhibition. Response is quite good for this exhibition. We are finding every year is increasing and improving day by day. We hope in coming years it will be much better and much more crowd will going to come participate in that. Thank you.